Hello, children. Wow, happy to have you here in my class. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to learn something interesting. But before I tell you what we're going to learn, I know you can see it in front of you. But before we talk about what we're going to learn today, what did we learn in the last class? Do you remember? Okay, yes. We learned how to use prepositions, how to use prepositions like into, behind, through, on. Do you remember? Yes. So we did something very interesting. And if you haven't watched that video, you can go back and watch it and learn how to use prepositions. So now we're going to learn something interesting. Like I said, we're going to learn how to use words like shall and will. Shall and will. So now let us understand what it means to use shall and what it means to use will. So can someone tell me what the shall means? Because we have to understand the meaning of shall and will before we can complete the sentences. So shall is like a suggestion or a plan, then will is like a decision. I will. Shall we? That is like you're asking for a suggestion if it's okay to do this or not. Shall I? Shall we? So that is when you use shall. Then when you use will, it's like a determination, like a decision, like you're bent on it. Like I will brush my teeth in the morning. I will go to school every Monday. I will go for football practice after school on Tuesdays. So this is will and this is shall. So now that we've understood the meaning, do you want us to write it down? Okay, let's write the meaning of shall and the meaning of will. Shall. Shall is like a suggestion. While will is like a decision. So do you see? Shall is like a suggestion, while will is like a decision. So now that we have understood the meaning of shall and will, let's read the instructions so that we can go ahead and fill in the blank spaces. Read each sentence carefully and fill in the blank with shall or will. We have read the instructions. Then now let's go ahead and fill in the blank spaces. So section 1, we're talking about the future. So the future is what you do the next minute, the next hour, the next day, the next week, the next month. So it's not something you do right away. It's something you do next time. I call you tomorrow. So I will call you tomorrow. So this is a decision that the person is making. I will call you tomorrow. So will is when we are making a decision. So I will call you tomorrow. They play in the park after lunch. They will play in the park after lunch. They will. She dash start her new job on Monday. Does this look like a suggestion? No, it looks like a decision. So she will start her new job on Monday. We dash meet at the library at 4 o'clock. Children, you have to tell me, is that a suggestion? No, it's a decision. We will meet at the library at 4 o'clock. He dash help his father in the shop. So he has to make a decision. So it will be, he will help his father in the shop. So now the next one is suggestions and offers. So we're going to section 2 where we have suggestions and offers. How we will use the word shall. So you see, shall we go for a walk after dinner? So that is what a suggestion. So it's shall. So we are learning how to use will and shall. So we have learned some ways we can use will, and now we're going to learn some ways we use shall. Dash I help you with your homework? Shall I help you with your homework? Shall I help you with your homework? Shall. Where dash we sit in the classroom? Where shall we sit in the classroom? We are suggesting to know where we can sit for class. Dash I bring you some water? Shall I bring you some water? Shall. We dash begin our story now, children. So we shall begin our story now, children. So now we're going to learn more about will when it comes to promises and decisions. Don't worry, I dash always be by your side. So this is an assurance. Don't worry, I will always be by your side. She dash never forget her best friend. She will never forget her best friend. So this is a promise to always remember your best friend. She will never forget her best friend. You dash feel better after some rest. You will feel better after some rest. So this is a promise. You will feel better when you rest. He dash buy a new bicycle next week. He will buy a new bicycle next week. So this is a decision he has to make. He has to buy a new bicycle next week. We dash celebrate your birthday on Saturday. We will celebrate your birthday on Saturday. So that's a promise. We promise to celebrate your birthday on Saturday. So this is the last part. In this part, we're going to learn how to use shall in a formal way. So when we talk about formal, what are we saying? In a more corporate way. So this is where we use shall. The students dash follow the school rules. The students shall follow the school rules. They shall follow the school rules. The prize dash be given to the winner today. So the prize shall be given to the winner today. The prize shall be given to the winner today. The train shall leave at exactly 7 a.m. The train shall leave at exactly 7 a.m. You shall receive your certificate tomorrow. This classroom shall remain clean and tidy. Good job. So these are elegant ways to use shall in a formal setting. So now, children, I have composed mix challenge for us to do together. We have learned different ways we can use shall. We've learned different ways we can use will. And so now we have this mix challenge where we're going to learn how to use each of those words in different ways. So, are you ready? I know you can do it because you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. What dash we do if it rains tomorrow? What shall we do if it rains tomorrow? Good job, fast learners. Wow, you're so amazing. What shall we do if it rains tomorrow? I dash send you the pictures tonight. I will send you the pictures tonight. Good job. Dash I open the window for some fresh air. Shall I open the window for some fresh air? He dash finish his homework. He dash finish his work before dinner. He will. Good job, children. Wow. He will finish his work before dinner. We dash not give up no matter what happens. Of course, we shall not give up no matter what happens. We strive on, we try our best, do our best, and leave the rest to God. So we must always do our best. We shall never give up no matter what happens. Good job, children. Wow, that was an amazing ways to know how to use shall and will. I enjoyed this class so much. I enjoy doing these exercises with you. I hope you did enjoy the class too as much as I did. I hope to see you in my next class. I hope you remember that you're amazing, you're doing great, you're beautiful, you're the best. You're so smart. Wow, I'm so happy to always have you in my class learning with me. And so I hope to catch you in our next class where we'll be learning something as interesting as we learned today. Something very interesting. So hope to catch you in the next class where we're learning another amazing, interesting topic. See you. Bye.